It's the morning weather briefing. This is for Thursday, the 18th of July. This is James Spann. Alabama's weather will feature elevated rain chances for at least the next 7 days, probably for the rest of July. And heat levels continue to fall. Temperatures during the day should be below average, at least for the next 7 days. So here's the deal. The big ridge has been beaten down by a trough. The center of the trough is north of the state, but you can see the pattern is basically this ridge over the western states and that downstream trough over the eastern half of the United States. And with a trough, the air aloft is colder, the air more unstable, a surface boundary approaching from the north. All of that will set the stage for a number of showers and thunderstorms later today. Early this morning, we have a few showers over northwest Alabama and a batch of showers and storms over the Florida Panhandle. But again, we'll see a definite increase in rain activity after lunch today. Still not raining everywhere. But again, the rain for the next 7 days should be very beneficial and probably beyond that. We are generally in the 70s to start the day. We're expecting highs in the upper 80s and low 90s today. And accordingly, no heat index problems around here. In fact, things are pretty quiet around the nation. In terms of severe weather, we have a risk of severe storms today for parts of the Carolinas and Virginia, also for parts of the western High Plains states and parts of northern Montana. Tomorrow, a marginal risk over parts of the Great Plains. And on day 3, which is Saturday, a little marginal risk over parts of Virginia and North Carolina. And look at that rain across the southern states. Summer rain, that's a good thing. And as we always say, when you look at these maps, we know that rain distribution every day in summer is not even. And your number could vary, but we're pretty confident for most places, beneficial rain is likely for the next 7 days. This is valid through Thursday morning of next week. Average amounts across the state between 2 and 4 inches. How about that? Now, this product will be updated here in about 2 hours, the drought monitor. This comes out once a week, and we don't expect any improvement in the product that will be released today. But we do expect a huge improvement in the product that's going to be released a week from today, based on all the rain that's coming in. Tropical weather, once again, just nothing to talk about, nothing. It is dead across the Atlantic Basin. No tropical storms, no hurricanes, at least for the next 7 days. Enjoy the calm while we have it. Model fans, here we go, the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid today at 4. Again, the upper high is out west, and then the downstream trough over the east beating down the ridge. And we'll have a number of showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. In the high-res HRRR, it's not been performing well, doesn't do well on summer convection, but I think we'll see more than that. This is the 6 o'clock output this evening. But again, a number of showers and thunderstorms around. Most places will stay below 90 today for the northern half of the state, low 90s for South Alabama. Tomorrow looks kind of wet. The trough around, a weak surface boundary stalls out just north of the state. Showers and thunderstorms are likely. Not raining all day, but occasional rain. And highs only in the low and mid 80s, 10 degrees below average. And same thing for the weekend. This is Saturday, this is Sunday. So both days, occasional showers and thunderstorms. Now, there's a lot of outdoor events going on, but understand this is not just a total washout kind of thing, but no doubt it's going to rain from time to time. And there could be some strong gusty winds, and all summer storms have a lot of lightning. When thunder roars, go indoors. And highs, again, mid-80s for the weekend. And the sun could peek out at times, but a lot of clouds around. And really, that's going to be the theme for next week. Every day, elevated rain chances. This is Monday, this is Tuesday, and this is Wednesday. A soupy air mass with no strong ridge. So a number of showers and thunderstorms around on a daily basis. And this is a week from today, Thursday, the 25th of July. Again, that trough axis a little to the west, and again, a number of showers and thunderstorms are likely. Let's keep going. This is 10 days out. This is Saturday, July 27th. And again, the air aloft is relatively cold, and we'll see a number of showers and storms about it. Just looks kind of wet for the latter half of July. In fact, here's a look at rain for Birmingham coming off the European ensemble. And again, that mean, that green line, is still over 4 inches. And you got some of the ensemble members over 10 inches, and we don't buy that. You look for the mean. But again, a fairly unsettled pattern here setting up for the latter half of July. And accordingly, heat just not an issue. The national blend of models for Birmingham showing 91 today, and then after that, highs in the 80s. All the way through Saturday, July 27th, and we might bump 90 on the 28th. But again, we'll certainly take that. Here's the long-range outlook. This is the guidance for July 25th through July 31st. Temperatures near, maybe a little below average, even out there at the end of the month. So lightning yesterday morning was responsible for starting this fire at Fort Morgan. This video was taken early last night, and that's been a problem. At one point, Alabama 180, the main road there, was closed. I've not heard of any structures being involved in that, but obviously fire crews have been working for about the past 24 hours on that. That happened about 7 o'clock yesterday morning. This is a view of that fire during the day taken from a drone looking to the west down toward the end of Fort Morgan. But other than that, pretty decent sunset last night. What's the deal here? You know what that is. Longtime weather dweebs. That is a tall, distant thunderstorm on the horizon at sunset, casting a shadow. But the sunset was just a dandy across Alabama yesterday. And again, we've talked about this in recent days. It's that convective debris, the leftover mid to high level clouds from thunderstorms that can create that great sunset scene. We had some fire in the sky last night on the Gulf Coast, some thunderstorms rumbling through about 8, 9 o'clock last night. Love a good storm at the beach, especially if you can watch it from a good, safe place. All right, today got a couple of stops. I'll be at Canterbury United Methodist Church for a weather program this morning for a group, and then at Liberty Church for a program for Grace Klein Ministries after that. Tomorrow going to be in Sylacauga for a summer program, and then Saturday it's our next book signing, and we are going to be in Prattville, Autauga County, and we're going to be there between 10 and 1. At the West Main Coffee House and Creamery. That's right there on Main Street in downtown Prattville, right by Autauga Creek, 10 to 1, and it's going to be a fun day. We had a marvelous time last Saturday in Piedmont. That was a huge crowd, and we'll have all of our books, the children's book series, Benny and Chipper, Wonder of Thunder, Prepared Not Scared, Greendale Tornado. We'll have Weathering Life, All You Can Do Is Pray, all those cool weather shirts from Crest Publishers. Those are a lot of fun, and we take a lot of pictures, and those are just great days. So again, Prattville, West Main Coffee House and Creamery, Saturday from 10 until 1. And of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.